Do you need a detail spray? Yes. Let me show you 3 scenarios where a detail spray is a must. We are here outside of the Chemical Guys headquarters in front of this beautiful classic car that we have sitting out in the front. To help maintain this car, we're gonna be using a speed wipe with our premium microfiber silk edge towel. This is a great towel because it has silk on the edges, preventing any scratches or swirls onto your paint. What you wanna do is fold up that towel in 4 and spray onto your surface. You can also spray on your towel for more lubrication. What you wanna do is wipe back and forth, avoiding any circular motions. We're gonna go ahead and flip this towel to now buff off any of the excess. Speed wipe is one of my favorite products to have in cases like this, because when you bring your car to car shows, people are gonna be coming up to your fabulous car, touching it, putting fingerprints on it, and speed wipe is great to eliminate all of these and maintaining your car's fabulous shine. Here we have bird droppings. Yeah. So in this case, you just washed your car and now you get bird poop on your car. What you don't want to do is wait till the next time you wash your car to take this off, because not only is it going to stain your glass, but it can also stain your paint and just leave an ugly, ugly residue on your car. So with a quick detailer, you're going to avoid washing your car, you're going to add shine and clean up that bird dropping. Same thing, what you want to do is go ahead and spray it over the surface and then wipe. Yuck. Ooh. So not only does it eliminate bird droppings, but it's gonna take off dust. And not only does it remove dust, but it prevents dust from sticking onto your car's paint surface, making it easier for your next wash. Another reason why you'll be needing a detail spray is for after a wash. After a wash, you might just get water drippings on your door panels or your side view mirrors. You might want to hit up some spots that you might have missed during our wash process. Today, I'm going to be using Hydro Speed. It's going to do all that and add ceramic protection to this vehicle that spends its time outside. Hydro Speed is a true ceramic spray detailer that you can use in between washes to help prevent water spots, adding that UV protection, and also adding ceramic protection. And those are 3 reasons why you need a detail spray in your arsenal kit. Let me know in the comments why you use a detail spray. You can find all of these products at chemicalguys.com or at your local detail garage. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and share. My name is Jenny, and we'll see you in the next one.